Hey, this is Gary with Be Rescued. Today we're going to make some char-cloth. So what we need is a tin, and today I have an old t-shirt. It was a rag. So let's get started. Okay, we have our char-cloth. Fire starter bracelet. Okay, let's cut this rag a little bit. I'm in a survival situation. There's different ways of doing this. You can grab an old t-shirt. You can use a tin can that you found. All you want to do is char it. So we'll put a few pieces in here. Okay. What you want to do is poke a hole in the center of it, of your tin. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and set this right on top of the fire. You'll see some smoke coming out of the top. And there's the smoke. Now you need three things for a fire: fuel, a spark, and oxygen. And now where it's on fire, it's now getting oxygen. But inside the tin, it's charring the cloth. And all of the gases are coming out of that hole and then ignite when they hit the oxygen. So we'll wait for that flame to go out. all you'll need is just a small spark to get that going. So it looks like it may be done already. We'll just set it here to cool for a minute. It's pretty cold out here, so it didn't take long to cool off. There you have your char cloth. All it takes is a spark. Great to use in a survival situation. Thanks for watching.